Do you lose your remotes all the time? Well, I have some simple solutions for you. Starting off here, we have a Amazon Fire TV remote. This is actually a sleeve you can place on top of the Fire TV remote, and at that point you can place an Apple AirTag in the back. This is a great idea. We've done it and used it quite a lot. Almost every remote in the house now has a sleeve like this on top of the remote and then an AirTag, and the AirTag is set up inside of the Find Me app for the iPhone, and we can actually make the remote beep. We can also have the iPhone tell us where it is and walk over to it. So highly recommend it. This is for the newer edition, so we'll place all these links inside of the description, so make sure you get the right one and double check the specs. If not, search in the reviews. So this is one of them. Next one here is the actual older model, in case you don't have those buttons towards the bottom, so be aware of that. Next up, looking up some other units for you guys, you can actually have a good solution here for your Apple TV remote. This is a little different. The Apple AirTag just goes in the center and the bottom, and then you snap in the remote into it. So as you can see, kind of pretty powerful, pretty nice feature. So that's available. And if your remote is not special enough to have a custom sleeve, you can get one of these units, which allows you to just stick it onto the bottom of a remote or really any device, and then connect the AirTag into this unit, and you're good to go. You're protected. All reasonably priced. And then up to the AirTags, you'll see here that Apple has 4 for $100, and technically one for $29, but you'll find more uses than you'll see. You'll be like, wait a minute, I should add one here, and so we recommend going to Amazon. You can save $5 on 4, and we'll link this up as well. So very nice feature. And then lastly, just kind of an extra thing. Let's say you're in a hurry, or you lost the remote and don't want to bother looking for it, or you just want to proceed. You can use the Apple TV remote inside of your iPhone. So we'll link to this with instructions on how to make sure that's all set up and ready to go. And then the same thing actually goes with the Amazon Fire TV. You can use this Amazon Fire TV app to allow yourself to, control the TV, find the show that you want, and keep on moving along. So hopefully this helps, and please share this with your friends so that they're aware of the features that are out there, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.